Hi, I'm Michael McCarthy, lead truck driving instructor in the CDL truck driving program at Seward County Community College. Do you love the open road? Enjoy seeing new places? Like to work on your own? You might be suited for a life of a truck driver. When I started out delivering milk and eggs throughout the Pennsylvania countryside, I had no idea that I was refining my skills that would help me support a family and complete a successful career. In our truck driving program at Seward, we make sure that students get the same set of skills and experience to enter the industry. You will learn vehicle equipment control, setup and inspection, basic maneuvering and handling, over-the-road record management, and preventive maintenance. With opportunities for both men and women to become truck drivers, the field is one of the fastest job markets in the country. Students who successfully graduate do so with a full CDL Class A license. You will receive hands-on training with up-to-date conventional tractors and 48 and 53-foot trailers. Receive hands-on training in coupling, uncoupling, inspections, and air brake adjustments. Learn about vehicle equipment control, vehicle setup and inspections, and basic maneuvering and handling. Practice driver proficiency. Complete the program with knowledge and training in first aid, CPR, National Safety Council's defensive driving, and entry-level training in accordance with 49 CFR 380.503. From the early days when truck drivers checked in to dispatch at payphones on the highway to computerized connections available now, truck driving has changed, and SCCC focuses on staying up to date. Basic principles of safety and responsibility remain steady, and good business and customer service skills will make you successful. Now more than ever, truck drivers keep our country thriving and provide an essential service for people in all industries and sectors. You can become a part of that when you join our program.